is to get him out of it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Need to go beyond that because I'm not able to relate this Janma, Marana, and then what this avastha, different types of avastha. I'm not able to relate to this Panchi.
We'll see as we go by. You pose this question.
Yeah.
As we go by, we'll relate this. Shall we start, Brahmara? Oh. ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलम् अचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। प्रातः स्मरामि हृदि संस्फुरदात्मतत्त्वं सच्चित्सुखं परमहंसगतिं तुरीयं यत्स्वप्नजागर सुषुप्तमवैति नित्यं तद्ब्रह्म निष्कलमहं न च भूतसङ्गः तपोभिक्षीणपापानां शान्तानां वीतरागिणां मुमुक्षूणाम् अपेक्षोय आत्मबोधो विधीयते. Now where are you? Number 16. Yeah. वपुस्तुषाधिभिक्कोशैः युक्तं युक्त्यावघाततः आत्मानमन्तरं शुद्धं विविच्यात्तण्डुलं यथा सदा सर्वगतोऽप्यात्मा न सर्वत्रावभासते बुद्ध्यावेवावभासेत स्वच्छेषु प्रतिबिम्बवत् देहेन्द्रियमनोबुद्धिः प्रकृतिभ्यो विलक्षणं तद्वृत्तिसाक्षिणं विद्यात् आत्मानं राजवत्सदा व्यापृतेष्विन्द्रियेष्वात्मा व्यापारी वा विवेकिनां व्यापारी व अविवेकिनां दृश्यते अभ्रेषु धावत्सु धावन्निव यथा शशि आत्मचैतन्यमाश्रित्य देहेन्द्रियमनोधियः स्वक्रियार्थेषु वर्तन्ते सूर्यलोकं यथा जनाः देहेन्द्रियगुणान् कर्मान् अमले सच्चिदात्मनि अध्यस्यन्त्यविवेकेन गगने नीलतादिवत् अज्ञानान्मानसोपाधेः कर्तृत्वादीनि चात्मनि कल्प्यन्तेऽम्बुगते चन्द्रे चलनादियधाम्बसः रागेच्छा सुखदुःखादि बुद्धौ सत्यां प्रवर्तते सुषुप्तौ नास्ति तन्नाशे तस्मात् बुद्धेस्तु नात्मनः प्रकाशोऽर्कस्य तो यस्य Shaityamagneryatoshnatha. It should be understood as Prakashaha Arkasya. Toyasya Shaityaha. Like that. Prakashorkasya Toyasya Shaityamagneryatoshnatha. Agnehe yatha ushnatha. Swabhava Sachidananda Nitya Nirmalatatmanaha. Atmana Sachidam Shasya Buddhirvrittiriti Dvayam Samyodya cha Vivekena Janamiti Pravartate. Atmano Vikriya Nasti Buddhirbodho na Jatvati Jiva Sarvamalam Jnatva. I read it wrongly. Buddhirbodho na jatviti jiva salvamalam jnatva jnata drashteti muhyati. Rajju sarpavadatmanam jivo jnatva bhayam vahet. Naham jiva paratmeti jnataschen nirbhayo bhavet. Atma vabhasayatyeko buddhyadinindriyanyapi deepo ghatadivat swatma jadaistairna vabhasyate. Swabodhe nanyabodhe cha bodharupatayatmanaha Nadipasyanyadeepecha yatha swatma prakashane nishidhya nikilopadhin neti neti iti vakyataha vidyadaikyam mahavakyaihi jivatma paramatmanoho. Avidyakam shariradi drushyam budbudavat ksharam etad vilakshanam vidyat aham brahmeti nirmalam. Okay, we have done this 32nd. We'll again review that. Dehanyatvanna me janma Jara Karshalayadayaha Shabdadin Vishaye Sango Nirindriyataya Nacha. Now, before we take up this review of this verse, we will go through the questions. Annapurna, you were posing a question. What was that? For the benefit of everybody, can you repeat, please?
Yes, like I'm not able to think beyond the Panchikarna. Of course, now everything is ready.
You are not able to think beyond the Panchikarna means what?
But in a sense, body is ready, Sthula Sharira is ready, Atma is ready, everything is ready.
Atma
Now,
is ready?
in the sense, yeah.
Do you know that?
That
Atma is ready. Do you know that?
No, that's what I'm not able to correlate everything into one. Sthula Sharira is ready. Then,
yeah.
Then Satvika Buddhi has created Jnanendriyas. Then has created Karmendriyas. Then the Tamasa, after combining, mixing up everything, it is Sharira is ready. So now I have to combine everything and like, imagine how is that one thing is formed.
Okay, after that Panchikaranam, you got the Stula Shariram, right, in which the Sukshma Shariram is resident. along with the Karana Shariram. Right?
Correct. Correct.
You said Atma is ready. Atma is always there, but we don't know. You are Atma, but you don't know. I am Atma, I do not know. Why? Because Atma, because of avidya, okay, smeared with a ton of avidya, he has become the jiva, and the jiva is imprisoned in the Karana Sharira. And the Karana Sharira gives rise to two other Shariras, which are the Sukshma Sharira and Sthola Sharira. And the jiva will keep on experiencing Sukha, Dukkha through the Sukshma Sharira while living in the Sthola Sharira. While doing that, he has to do sadhana like we are doing now, Atma Bodha Vicharana, like we are doing now, to cleanse our minds and buddhi, so that Atma Prakasham will be available on the cleansed mind and buddhi. Till then, we will not know Atma, though it is with us all the time. Whether we are in the waking state, or in the dream state, or in the Sushupti Avastha, in the deep sleep state, Atma is all the time there. In fact, that is the only thing which has got continuity. But unfortunately, we do not know. We have to make sincere efforts to know. That is how this study of Atma Bodha. Did I answer you?
Yes, it's slightly clear. Now, he has created these animals, and then where there is no buddhi and
please wait. Your audio is breaking. It's not very clear, no.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Again, now this distinguishing of animals and human. Animals are getting this. There is no intellect. You said. There is no karma for them. This. Yeah. So somewhere that link, I'm not getting the link between these animals, human.
What is that link you want?
No, karma.
What link you want? You are a human being. Why do you want a link with the animal?
Okay.
Animals, I'll tell you, you have taken birth because of prarabdha karma. Animals also have taken birth because of prarabdha karma. But animals, because of the lack of the discriminative faculty called the intellect, they have not got the karma phala in the janma that they have taken now. Imagine there is a tiger and you are a human being. You have the karma phala, the tiger does not have karma phala. You have the prarabdha, tiger also has the prarabdha. Tiger lives as long as the prarabdha lasts, afterwards it dies. Same thing with you. You will live as long as the prarabdha lasts, afterwards you will breathe your last. Right? This is the link. There is no other, because they do not have the discriminative faculty. You have got the discriminative faculty. To do, you have got choice. To do otherwise, you have got choice. To do differently, you have got choice. The animal does not have a choice. In Sanskrit, it is said, Kartum Shakyam, Akartum Shakyam, Anyatha va api Kartum Shakyam. You got the choice to do. You got the choice to do otherwise. You have got Anyatha va Kartum Shakyam. Okay?
Okay.
You need not, you not doing also. The animal does not have these choices.
Right.
Because it lacks these choices, Bhagavan's creation has rendered animal karma phala free. Right?
Right.
But what about the dog and what about the dog, elephant? They obey their master and they work for their master. Then how we can link it?
What is that?
You are saying there is
Okay. Yeah,
Ah.
Manchutta, I got your point. Dog works for the master. Dog is a very faithful animal. But while working for the master, the dog does not have any kartrutva bhavana. Whereas you working for your husband and children, you have got kartrutva bhavana. That is how you have the load of karma phala and you will be bound. The dog does not have the kartrutva bhavana. Right? But its a swabhava is to be faithful. And it will be faithful. It will do the bidding of the master. Does that answer your question?
Yes.
Okay. Brahmara, those set of questions. Oh, these are to be enlarged. Oh, Pitaji said, Atma.
I think we've answered most of them. The last 3 questions have to be answered.
Last
Shall
3.
I read them? I'm not able to enlarge for some
You
reason.
are okay. Let
I
me
will
see.
read the question.
Okay.
Beena Carroll has asked, please explain the capacity of raga dvesha is same in everyone. That is the first question.
Yes, I will explain. Then what is it? That is then a follow-on question.
Yeah, how can you distinguish between dreaming and awakened state?
That is simple. You wake up from dream and you are awake. The second question is easily answered. Now you are awake, you are not dreaming. How do you distinguish between dream and waking state? You are awake now, there's no doubt. You're a non-dreaming waker. And when you go to sleep, you may dream. And that is a dream state. And in that state, you are not a waker. You, the waker, is absent there. Is it not? You as the waker is not available there. Does that answer the second part of the question?
She is not attending in the morning. She is not able to because she has other commitments.
Okay.
But
Maybe,
yeah, she will.
Maybe the record.
Yeah, she will listen to the recording.
That is a he, is it? Okay. Now, the first part of the question. Please explain the capacity of raga dvesha being same in everyone. You know what? You are a jnani or an ajnani? Somebody else to answer on his behalf.
Ajnani.
I am what? I am what? A jnani or an ajnani? Ajnani. Right? And the rest of the participants, is there any jnani?
Ajnani.
So all are ajnanis. All are ajnanis. These ajnanis, why have they become ajnanis? Because they have ajnana. They have ajnana. Ajnana is what? Ajnana is what? Not having the
Clear picture of
not having
self-knowledge, Atma knowledge.
Yes, not having the spruha of Atma, not knowing who indeed I am. I have forgotten I am. I have forgotten who I am. See, I'll tell you, there is a It's a small story. There was a kingdom in that a prince was born. The prince was taken away by a bandit. The king and all his forces, they went on searching for the prince, they could not find. Right? The prince in the some third, fourth week of life. But the minister of the kingdom has noticed certain identifying marks on the prince. Now the prince is taken away by the bandit, and he was growing with the bandit. Afterwards, the bandit died, and the prince indeed became a beggar. The king, along with the minister and his entourage, went for hunting. At that time, the minister happened to see this beggar prince, and some identifying marks the minister picked up at the time of the birth of the prince. The prince was identified by the minister and was told, the king was told, that beggar is indeed your son. But who has to convince this prince that he is indeed the prince, not the beggar? He was the prince. He is the prince. In between, he became the beggar. Who has to convince him? Who has to
Himself.
convince him? Pardon?
Himself.
Himself. He has to convince himself. Why is he thinking he's a beggar? It's because of Ajnana. And Ajnana is how much of Ajnana? Total Ajnana regarding the princehood. His own stature as a prince is totally not available to him. That is total Ajnana. Same thing with all of us. Atma, all of us are princes and princesses. Atma, we have forgotten that. We have become mere beggars. And how do we get back to the princehood? How? We have to knock off the ignorance. And how much of ignorance each one of us has got? That is beside the point. Each one of us is totally ignorant. Right? When we are totally ignorant, this raga, dvesha in you and in I, okay, the capacity for that, is it not indeed the same? Is it not the same? When the ajnana is enveloping you and I equally, right? And you are not aware of Atma, I'm equally not aware of Atma. No matter how many granthas we study, okay, we have not got the Nishchayatmika Buddhi that we are indeed Atma, and we have not got the self-realization yet. The Granthas and the Gurus tell us that we are Atma. We're only told, like we're discussing. Atma Bodha tells us that, hey, you are indeed Atma. Swabodhe nanya bodhe cha bodharo patayatmanaha. But that is what the text says. I have not got the experience yet. Why? Because of Ajnana, and which is equal in everybody. Which is equal in everybody. This Ajnana, you know what? It can be equated to, supposing there is a huge hall, and all of us are in the hall, and that hall is totally dark. And how much of darkness each one of us has got? Tell me. Each one of us has got the total darkness of the hall or no?
Yes.
Right? Simply because you have taken away the total darkness of the hall, the darkness of the hall does not get reduced. I also claim total darkness. That's what we are. Ajnana kalusham jivam jnanabhyasat vinirmalam krutva jnanam swayam nashyet jalam katakarenuvat. We have covered that verse earlier. So these are same. Actually, these are very frivolous. These are, how come Raga, Dvesha are the same in each one of us? What do you gain, sir, out of this knowledge? What would you gain? Are you going to go nearer to realization? What I'm saying is, we should, please don't mistake me, we should entertain such of those questions which will take us nearer to the self-realization. Nishidhya nikilopadhin neti neti iti vakyataha neti neti iti vakyataha na iti, I am not the raga, I am not the dvesha iti vakyataha vidyadaikyam mahavakyehi jiveshvara parameshwaroho. I forgot that last verse. Okay? Jivatma paramatmanoho. Vidyadaikyam mahavakyehi jivatma paramatmanoho. These questions would not take you there. You must question in such a fashion that it will take you forward in your quest for self-realization. All other questions will be simple food for the ego, simple food for the intellect, which gets inflamed all the time. Request is, please drop these kind of pursuits. Have pursuits which will take you nearer to self-realization. Now that,
But these
yeah.
questions clear the doubt to move forward.
What, sir?
This question
Uh-huh.
clears so that we can move forward.
Okay, that's clear. Is that clear? The answer to the question, is that clear?
Yes, very.
Okay. Brahmara, next question, can you
Yeah.
kindly?
If the whole world is Maya or illusion, then the existence of Krishna and his knowledge or Vedas are also illusion.
Okay. Okay. If what is it? If the whole world is Maya or illusion, then the existence of Krishna. Now, existence of Krishna, what do you know, sir, about existence of Krishna? Madam, is it? Reena Karol.
Veena, yeah.
Reena Karol.
Veena Carol.
Okay. What do you know about the existence of Krishna, madam? How did he come into the world? You know how you have come into the world. How did you come? You have taken a portion of your Sanchitam and that became Prarabdham, which holding that you have come into this world. Like that, did Krishna come like that? Was he having any Sanchitam? Was his birth Prarabdhavashat? Your birth happened without your knowledge. Yes or no? That madam is there or no?
No, she's not there.
Oh, hey, I would prefer the questioners would better be
No.
there.
No, she's not able to come. She posted the question.
Okay.
She'll listen to the recording.
Okay. Because who do I ask? Did I answer your question properly? Who do I ask? If the questioner is absent, the answer whether it is fulsome or not, how do I know? Right. Henceforward, one golden principle. Take up only those questions when the questioner is there. My request.
Nana, there are some who are genuinely not able to attend, but are listening to the recordings. And from listening to the recordings, there have been some questions that have cropped up.
Okay.
So in case there is any follow-on question to the answers you've given, probably she will ask.
Okay. Now, Krishna's existence is because of his pure will. In the 4th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan Krishna himself has said, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanid bhavati bharata abhyutthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. Tada atmanam srijamyaham. I will create myself. Did you create yourself? Did I create myself? No. He says, Tadatmanam srijamyaham. And when yada yada hi dharmasya glanihi, whenever dharma is declining, abhyutthanam adharmasya, and adharma is on the ascendancy, dharma samsthapanardhaya, no, yada yada hi dharmasya glanid bhavati bharata abhyutthanam adharmasya tada atmanam srijamyam. Then I will create myself. I will create myself, like I will make a laddu. Okay? That Bhagavan Krishna has, out of his own free volition, has come into existence. His existence is not like yours and I's, mine. Okay, that is the first question now, first line. If the whole world is Maya or illusion, then the existence of Krishna and his knowledge or Vedas are also illusion. Okay. If knowledge is illusion, look at it this way. What happened?
You just adjust your camera a little bit.
My screen has gone dark. I don't know whether audio is there.
We can hear you, Nana.
You can hear, no?
Yes.
See, if knowledge is illusion, right? How will I, an Ajnani, get liberated? As it is, I am swimming through illusions after illusions because of Ajnana. If knowledge also is illusion, then who can deliver me? What is the redemption for this bound person? So knowledge is not illusion. And Vedas, you said Vedas are also illusion. No, it's not illusion, but suffice it to say, Kala Kramena, these Vedas will undergo a change, I believe. That's what the Shastra says. Okay? They will undergo a change in the sense, see, Brahmaji's day is very big. I think Brahmara we will cover that ages document tomorrow.
Okay.
It is time we covered that so that people will understand the time scale for us and Brahmaji, Paramatma, etc. Right?
Yeah,
Now,
fine.
Brahmaji's daytime is 1,000 Mahayugas. A Mahayuga is the sum total of 4 yugas.
You want me to show that now?
No. I will cover that tomorrow. I'll just cover this. Kruta Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, Kali Yuga. These 4 put together with their twilights, is called a Mahayuga. And Brahmaji means the creator Brahmaji, not the Brahma that Vedanta tells that you are. Okay? The creator Brahmaji has got a daytime, mind you, a daytime of 1,000 Mahayugas. Okay? And this daytime of 1,000 Mahayugas is shared by 14 Manus. And we are under the reign of one of those Manus. Who is that Manu? When we say Sankalpa, we'll chant that, no?
Vaivasvata,
Vaivasvatam Manvantare.
correct.
Is it not?
Yes.
We are in that. So when we cover that ages document tomorrow, I will tell more elaborately. So it can't be illusion, certainly not knowledge, but Vedas, the Shruti Vakyas say, they undergo slight change depending on the times. Kala dharmena, they undergo some change without affecting the essential tenets of the Veda. So knowledge is not an illusion, right? Vedas are not an illusion, and Krishna's existence is not out of picking out Sanchita Karma and becoming Prarabdha, etc. It is out of his own free volition. Okay, next question.
The last question is, what kind of reality are we looking for?
What kind of reality?
Yes.
Are there different kinds of reality? I thought reality is only one. One is false, another is real. In real, can there be any grades? What kind of reality are we looking for is what? That question is not clearly understood. What kind of reality are we looking for? You are looking for the reality that you are indeed Atma Swarupa, that you are indeed Paramatma. You are indeed Brahma. You are not these three shariras. You are not these avasthas. You are not these sukha dukkhas which you are enjoying and suffering. You are a Nitya Sukhi Atma. Sat Chit Ananda Atma. That is the reality. What kind of reality are we looking for is that? That kind of reality that you are indeed Sachidananda Atma is what you are looking for. Right? There are no different kinds in reality. There is only one. The one which is final. Satyam, Asatyam. In Satyam, there can't be grades. What kind of grades Satyam can permit? Satyam is Satyam. I have told a lie, that is Satyam. Suppose. Is there any grade in that? I'm a man, that is Satyam. Is there any grade in that? Okay. Yeah, I don't know whether that person is there now.
No.
I don't
So
know
we'll
whether.
we'll move on to the Atma Bodh because we've
Okay.
done the question.
Hey, my screen is dark, man. Audio is okay, no?
Yeah, we
I
can
don't
hear
know.
you. Can you see? I've shared
You
Atma.
can see.
Huh?
We can see you and hear you.
I also can't see you, madam.
No, we can see you. We can
You
see.
can.
Oh, you can. You
Yes,
can.
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
we can see you and hear you clearly. Thank you.
Okay, fine.
Maybe you can put off the system and put it on again. It may take around 5-6 minutes to reboot the system and put it on.
Oh, but you will
Yeah.
be, there will be a loss of time, no, for all of us.
Yes,
Look,
there'll be loss of time. Only
no,
not
no.
that particular app can be rebooted. Yes.
Good, doesn't matter.
One second.
Please,
Let me
please
just
look at
stop
it.
share.
It has come on
Are you
its
able
own.
to see
I don't know how it came.
now?
Nana,
You're able
adjust
to
your
see.
adjust your
Yeah.
camera, Nana.
Done. Is
Now
it
you
okay?
can see, right? Yeah. Now
Is
let
it
me
okay?
just. Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yesterday also it happened.
Can you see the Atma Bodh?
Yeah. Dehanyatvanna me janma Jara Karshalayadayaha Shabdadin Vishayan Sangaha Nirindriyataya Nacha. Because I don't have any indriyas. This is what Atma is proclaiming. Atma is talking here in this verse. I don't have any indriyas, and because of that, I don't have any attachment with the sense objects. Shabdadi Vishayaha Sangaha Na. This Name Janma, that Na applies here also. Dehanyatvan Name Janma Jara Karshalayadayaha Shabdadi Vishayan Sangaha Na Nirindretaya Nayachaja. Because I do not have any indriyas. Atma is devoid of any indriyas, right? It is, any indriya means what? Any indriya means what? It is in parts. Pardon? What was that question?
Is not related here. You can continue now. Someone was unmuted. That was okay. I've muted.
Okay, okay. So because I do not have any parts, Atma is an indivisible whole. When it is an indivisible infinite whole, Purnamada. And from that Purnamadaha, this Purnamidam Jagat has as though come. Purnamada, Purnamidam. Purnat, from that other Purnam, Purnat, Purnamudachyate. This Jagat Purnam has taken birth. Purnasya, Purnamadaya, Purnameva avasishyate. From the other Purnam, which is indivisible, Satchitananda, okay, it does not permit of any division. From that, this as though Purnam which has come, that is Jagat, if it is kind of subtracted, removed, knocked off, then what happens? Purnameva avasishyate. The other Purna, which is Atma, that alone will be. Purnameva avasishyate. So, Indriyas are not there. Indriyas means it will become parts. Atma does not permit of any parts. And because of that, this Shabdadi Vishayehi Sangaha Dehanyatvat Name Janma. I don't have dehas. The moment I have dehas, what happens? That Bhinnatvam comes and I get limited. I am unlimited. I am infinite. I am Purnaha. When I am Purnaha, how can I permit the limitations of the dehas, the Stula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, Karana Sharira, Avasthas, Panchakoshas, etc. How can I permit all that? Deha Anyatvat. Deha Anyatvat. Because I am other than the Deha. Me Janma Na. For me, there is no Janma. Gita Acharya says in the second chapter, Na Jayate, Namriyate. This is never born. This never dies. Na Jayate, Namriyate va kadachit. Finally ends Ajaha, Nityaha, Shashvataha, Puranaha, Na Hanyate, Hanyamane Sharire. If the Sharira is destroyed, this is not destroyed. Na Hanyate, it is not killed. Hanyamane Sharire, when the Sharira is killed. Ajaha, Nityaha. Ajaha means unborn. Nityaha, eternal. Shashvataha, absolutely permanent. Puranaha, it has been there from times immemorial. And it always is new. Okay?
Just wanted to share.
Uh-huh.
when we were going through this shloka, it just occurred to me that all the drama that we go through, with relationships, with events, situations, people, this person said this, that person said this, is all happening in the Sukshma Sharira.
True.
Or any bodily discomfort you're going through in the in the Stula Sharira. So when you detach yourself, when you keep saying that neti neti, then you're able to actually witness it as if apart from you. All that drama is happening there. So all that is required is for us to disidentify ourselves from the Stula and Sukshma Sharira. So this knowledge of Tattva Bodh is really so beautiful. It takes you to a different, where you're able to look at yourself as when things are happening in,
Very right.
in your mind and intellect, you can disconnect with that.
Very rightly said.
Yeah.
Actually,
See, this must be understood all the time. Deha anyatvat name janma. But all of us celebrate our birthdays now. The birthday is for what? For Atma or the Sharira?
Sharira.
For the Sharira. In the Vyavaharika world, as long as we are not aware of the reality which we are, some questioner, the last question was, what kind of reality we are seeking? What kind of reality we are seeking? The kind of reality that you are Atma is what we are seeking, right? As long as that is not there, the Janma is for Sharira. The growth is for Sharira. The disease is for Sharira. Medicine is for Sharira. Atma does not swallow medicines, right? And no doctor's prescriptions, etc. will work with Atma. He is indeed the Vaidya. Vaidyo Narayano Harihi. Atma is that. So, Deha Anyatvat Name Janma must be understood properly. This is the proclamation by you, the Atma. The Atma is proclaiming. Name Janma. I don't have Janma. Why are you bothering me? What are these flowers and apples and things like that? No birthday celebration. Deha Anyatvat Name Janma. That Atma can say, but the Sharira cannot say. The Sharira was born, has a birthday, we will keep on celebrating, nothing wrong, it's okay. Nothing wrong. It's only a reminder, hey, young fellow, you are growing older. You have grown older by another year. What have you gained in the past 1 year? What are the good things you have done? What are the bad things you have dropped? You think about that. Today is your birthday. Don't simply eat cakes and apples. Think like this. What you have accomplished in the past 1 year? What else is your agenda for the next year? That is the meaning of birthday, right? So, Jara
Very beautiful.
Kashalaya Dayaharna.
That's very nice, that explanation.
Which one?
The birthday, cakes and apples.
Correct. That's correct. But you know, there's nothing wrong in celebrating. What I'm saying is, but we should be aware that the celebration is not for Atma. And the celebration must take us nearer to Atma. And by doing Atma Vichara, we should certainly get there. What kind of reality we are seeking is that? That question really pumps me up. What kind of reality are we seeking? You are seeking that reality which you are Atma. Okay, now I think we'll have
These
We'll
all
have time
attributes,
for another verse, no?
excuse me, excuse
Yes,
me.
please.
These all attributes of Atma is clearly also given in Bhagavad Gita also. Same.
Brahmara, I did not get the question.
Sureshji, can you repeat it? Your voice was not clear.
Yeah, I just removed the speaker. Okay.
Yeah.
These all attributes what we are giving to Atma is also given in Bhagavad Gita also. Namruyate, na jayate, na same.
Very, very right, sir.
Yeah, that's what.
That is
Very-
from the Bhagavad Gita. Na
Yeah,
jayate
yeah.
mriyate.
Na jayate, namruyate. Same thing here. Same.
Yeah.
In other words.
Yeah, it is true. Gita is a wondrous text. Gita Sugita Kartavya Kimanyaihi Shastra Vistaraihi. Gita is the song. Sugita, very well sung. Gita Sugita Kartavya. It is your Kartavya. You have to accomplish that. You have to study that, understand that, and grow into the truths explained by the Gita. Gita Sugita Kartavya Kimanyaihi Shastra Vistaraihi. Why do you unnecessarily try to burden your mind and intellect with all other kinds of texts? Just this Gita alone is enough. Ya swayam padmanabhasya mukha padmadvinishrutaha. We do not know about the other Shastras, but this came directly through the mukha of Sri Bhagavan. That is why in the entire Gita, whenever Sri Krishna spoke, it is not, Vyasa Maharshi did not say Krishna Uvacha. He said Bhagavan Uvacha, Sri Bhagavan Uvacha. Okay? Sri Bhagavan Uvacha, Arjuna Uvacha, Sanjaya Uvacha, Dhritarashtra Uvacha, etc., etc. Every time Sri Krishna talked, it was Sri Bhagavan Uvacha. True. Now we'll just touch the next verse. Beautiful verse. Amanatvanna me dukkha. Supposing you are sorrow stricken, where does that sorrow happen? Your sorrow happens where? On the nose?
In the
Or
mind.
on the mind, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now this sloka says, Amanatvanna me dukkha. Mind you, through this sloka again, Atma is talking. Amanatvanna me dukkha. Because I don't have the mind, I don't have dukkha. Raga dvesha bhaya dayaha. I do not have raga, dvesha, bhaya, etc. All those. Because I do not have the mind. Because all these raga, dvesha, bhaya, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya, all these dirty things happen only in the dirty mind. The dirty mind I do not have. Amanaskanna me dukkha. Ragadvesha layadaya, ragadvesha bhayadaya, aprano hyamana shubbraha, ityadi shruti shasanat. Right? Aprano hyamana shubbraha. I do not have the mind. Neither do I have the prana, which has a tendency to come and go. I am not a comer and a goer. I am the permanent reality. That kind of reality, which is permanent. I am that. Right? Aprano hyamana shubhraha. Shubhraha. I am the cleanest, very clean. Shubhraha. Ityadi Shruti Shasanat. These are the declarations of the Shruti, of the Upanishads. These are the declarations of the Upanishads. Acharya Shankara as though taking a lot of support from the Shruti Vakyas for this verse. Right? Because I do not have the mind, I do not have dukkha, and I do not have raga, dvesha, and bhaya, etc. Kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya, all these arishad vargas. Ari means Shatru. Shat is 6. Arishad vargas. These groups of Shatrus. These highly qualified Shatrus, I do not have. Because for me to have, there must be a receptacle for these to be with me. That receptacle is the mind, which I do not have. Amanatvan name dukkha ragadvesha bhayadayaha aprano hyamana shubraha ityadi shruti shasanat. Ityadi shruti shasanat. What a proclamation by Atma. See, all our effort must be to be in a position to chant this verse ourselves after having got that reality. This and the earlier verse, Dehanyatvan name janma jara karshalayadayaha, and Shabdadin vishayai sangoho nirindriyataya nacha. All these, Atma is talking. Can we talk after realization? That's it. Any questions on these two verses? Mind you, Atma is talking. You can't doubt that. If you doubt that, you are doubting yourself. I, the Ajnani, shall believe what I, the Jnani, is saying. This is I, the Jnani, is talking. I shall not doubt that. If I doubt that, there's no redemption for me. Right?
That is where we need to have Shraddha, isn't it?
Correct. Like the doctor, after operating for removing some disease in the eyes, tells me, hey, open your eyes, you can see. Till now, your life was wasted because you could not see at all. Please see. Now, do I see or don't I see? The bandages are removed. I want to see. Doctor says, please open your eyes. If I open my mouth, what happens? Can the eyes see? So I have to have Shraddha in what my benefactor, the doctor, has done. I must have Shraddha in believing what he says is true. Open the eyes, everything is clear. Megha paye amshumaniva. You become the sun as though and see and illumine the whole room. That operation theater room, you will illumine as though. You will have to have that confidence, that Shraddha. Okay? So, we will say Hari Om till we meet tomorrow. Right?
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Jai
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayaha. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om, everybody.
Hari Om, Hari Om.
Hari Om. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.